Yo, 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 mic test, testing 1, 2. We are live. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday morning. Happy Monday morning. Good morning, Nathan Ramirez. Good morning, Fred Yeager, Tech111. Good morning, Niles, Timbo, Jake Dell, Bruce Lee, Jack Wiley, good morning. Jim O, Sam Owen, good morning. Frank Mortimer, hit the like button, that's right. Dan Taloy, Dan, good morning. Clyde, good morning. Michael, good morning. The 5-minute chart. Design Knob, Joom is here. Let's go. How we doing, Design Knob? Matty Matt, good morning. Alua Tosin. No, you lost all your funded? No, Matty Matt, I'm sorry. Good morning, Matthew. Man, I'm happy. I'm okay, but man, I'm a little bit upset. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little upset with my trade day accounts. All right, market is open. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. All right, market. Man, what a crazy overnight session. Just we went up, up, up. This move right here. This right here is what got me. That's what got me on these trade day accounts. I got literally wicked out on my stop. I had my stop at like the 63s and I got wicked out. Took like a $2,000 loss and I've battled back a little bit. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do this week, guys. I'm honestly, there's a couple things. Couple things this week we've got to be very mindful of. Number one, I'm putting a lot of I don't know. I'm trading these trading competitions. I'm kind of having fun with it, to be honest. It's kind of fun. I know it is what it is, but I kind of like it. And I'm debating about only focusing on the trading competitions and not worrying about my funded accounts this week, just so I don't let the two get into I could see where if I have a bad, like a trading competition could bleed over and affect my funded accounts, and I don't want to do that. All right, trying to make a move lower here, down below the 180s. I mean, maybe we come test this 130. The VWAP is down here. If Ponzi shows up, we are not taking any financial advice. Exactly, 5-minute chart. I gotta say, Ponzi really messed me up on Friday. It wasn't his fault, but man. And he ended up being right. How's the angry man doing in the contest? I don't know, John. Last I saw, he was at the bottom, but whoa, look at this dump. Big move lower here. Don't fade the shorts. How is Lucid? Lucid is great. I love Lucid. All right, I'm gonna wait. I want to wait to see what happens down here at the 130s. Honestly, today I kind of expect this thing to go sideways. All right, market back up, trying to make a move back up. Time to get long, design knob. You might be right. You might be right. I'm hoping we test this 130 area before first. All right, down we go. I'm going to be trading these trade day evals is what I'm going to be looking to trade here. Man, this 160 is wanting to hold, but all right, let's see if we can test the 130s here. Trying to be patient, but man, I'm so tempted to jump in here long. I'm going to do it. I'm just going to scalp. We're going to have to scalp our way out of this hole. Hey, good morning, John. Don't fade it. Pine Tree, good morning. Get out of my stream, Pine Tree. You can't come in here. You can't come in here. I know what you're doing. You're stream sniping me. That's too funny. That is too funny. Discipline Trader, good morning. MM Coley, good morning. Yeah, that opening gap is not filled. The opening gap is all the way down here at the 990s. So, I mean, I'm not saying that we can't fill the gap, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Hey, BTF, good morning. Tom Bray, good morning. Peter and Kath, good morning. By the way, guys, this week I am doing a cleanse, okay? That's the other reason that I might not trade my funded accounts this week. I am doing a cleanse. It's called the lemon juice cleanse. You see this? Look at that. That is lemon juice, maple syrup, and cayenne pepper. This and water is the only thing I'm going to have to drink or eat for the next 5 days. I'm going to do a 5-day cleanse. I might get hangry. Because I might get hangry, I'm actually considering not trading my funded accounts this week. Just focus on these competitions. Kind of keep it fun. If I blow up the competition account, it's totally fine. And so it's gonna be brutal, guys. So I will say one thing. If I'm in the middle of a sentence, like if I'm in the middle of talking and all of a sudden I just say, oh, gotta go, you know why. You know what happened. That's all I'm saying. Just squeeze a fleet in him. Not doing it, John. It's gonna be brutal, guys. I might be in some very bad moods. I don't know. I told my wife I will not be responsible for anything I say or do this week. No, I won't be responsible for it. All right, it does look like, are we going to keep going lower here? Oh. I will not be taking my mic with me. That's right, Tanush. I would not do that to you guys. Cut out the maple syrup, then you have some. Why? What's wrong with the maple syrup? All right, making new lows. Here we go. There's a key. Wait. Get a script for the laxative used in a colonoscopy. I'm gonna feel like I had like a couple colonoscopies by the time I'm done. It's gonna be brutal. I'm ready for it. It is pure maple syrup. It's the pure stuff, so I think we'll be fine. I already know the third day of doing this cleanse is going to be the hardest. The third day is going to be brutal. Today, probably not going to be that difficult. Like today, not a big deal. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit of a problem. And then Wednesday, it's going to be brutal. I already know it. All right, market starting to do the chop fest. I'm just staying clear of this. This is where anytime we have such a big move in the overnight session, I feel like we just kind of consolidate and go sideways a lot. So I'm just going to be very careful here. I want to see you take a sip right out. No, listen, this has 2 tablespoons. It's 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's what this is. It's delicious. If I'm still using my any MFF accounts, yes, I am, John. These 5 my fund of future accounts. I need 1,500 more to get them passed. So I'm probably gonna be. I'm okay with these take profit trader accounts. I'm gonna leave this. Struggling a little bit with take profit trader passing those evals all of a sudden. All right. Market. What are we doing, market? It's getting choppy. Does let me look. Looks like it wants to go lower. All right, here we go. About to test this 130. I'm going to be paying attention here. All right, let's see if we sweep this 130 level. I'm curious what happens at 130, 120 area here. It's dangerous just to jump in here, but just gonna wait. Looks like this might just sweep right down through it. Can we get going here? Probably should have pulled the trigger there. Hey, Pat Budnick, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Pine Tree. Hey, same to you, Pine Tree. Same to you, Pine Tree. You're doing great. You're doing great. Keep it up. All right. This is such a kind of tricky area to get in here. Just won't want to get faked. But probably should have jumped in there. Ah. Yeah, with no activation fee on My Fund of Future, it's pretty good. Agreed. Pine Tree. You started your cleanse. That's why you blew up your trade day account. That's going to be my excuse. That's going to be my excuse when I blow up my trade day account. All right, let's see. I wish I would have just bought those 130s. I was a little bit timid on it. Didn't see the kind of wick that I wanted on the trap, but let's see if we get back. It's ripping right back up. This is kind of where we need to. I feel there's less volatility in the market, and these one-way moves props start to lose business, less signups. You feel the same? Also seems less drama out of Apex as of late. Yeah, John. I mean, yeah, maybe. I mean, I think it's a good thing. I like when there's not a lot of drama with Apex, like because usually it's bad drama. So Apex has just been kind of very even keel, proving people pay out. The only thing right now that I really don't like, that I really wish was different with Apex, is the whole eval ban thing. It kind of sounds like that's just their story and they're sticking to it. I don't know. There's just, I've tried my best to kind of get some clarifications on it, and it's just, I don't know. I give up. Either they know a lot more than I mean, obviously they probably know more than I do, but all I'm saying is it don't make no sense to me. But it is what it is. All right, market, let's see. This is where I want to be. I want to see us try to make new lows below the 120s and fail. Like a trap below the 140s would be All right, man, this thing did not give me the wick. Are they still doing it or just? I think it's mostly just from the past, John. From what I've heard, what is their story? Best guess trading. I mean, they're basically. I didn't really even get an explanation. It was more just, hey, you know, it was either, hey, their people are trading really well, and we're evaluating them for live. That was basically it. Which I'm sorry, I don't buy that. What, the 10K green account? The $10,000 green account is the BDH competition account. had to you know, got to represent the Nutty Bar brand. Strange trader. Yeah, Ragnarok. That's I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know. It is what it is, I guess, but still doesn't mean I have to like it. Wow, are we gonna just do this stair-stepping move lower? Interesting. All right, I guess let's see if we make new lows here. All right. Man. Actually, I just remember I got to trade those my funded future accounts as well. I got to think, does Lucid Trading have a let me check. Does Lucid Trading have an inactivity rule? I'm going to check. Okay, so Lucid inactivity rule, at least one trade within 30 calendar days. So we are good. So we can literally not trade our Lucid and our Apex accounts this week and we'll be fine. I might actually do that. I might do that. Well, as long as it's 130 holds. I like this wick. This wick here I like. I'm going to take a stab. Just one mini. Only do one. I might add right here the 130s again and then just see, depending how it reacts. Again, we're trading evals. I trade my evals. It's going to be different than in funded. Well, do I want to, do I trust this or not? We're just not getting any push higher. I don't like this. Come on. Might have to get out. Man. I mean, I like these wicks. We got to get going. We got to get a rip back above the 160s here. Come on. If we fail again here, then I'm getting out. If we don't make a move here above the 160s, right here, I'm out. All right, I'm getting out. I just don't like it. Probably going to rip now, but I'm out. That move is taking way too long. All right, I want to, the 15-minute chart, like, I mean, this is where we would kind of expect it to bounce if we do bounce. But this looks definitely concerning, but we're just chopping right now, chopping back and forth. Yeah, now we're going to try to get a move on. See if we get a rip back above that 160 or not. Yeah, now it's going to go. Need a good move higher. Okay, Matt, you might get it. you might get a good move higher here. I feel like if we break above that 160, you got a good look at it, but very choppy right now. I mean, we've seen this a lot of times when we have these big moves in the overnight, we kind of just, it seems like the market's tired. Market's tired and just wants to wait. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. 10 o'clock. Oh, I forgot my clock here. Hang on. Yeah, that was a 10 o'clock spike. This is going higher. Should have held. Oh well, it's fine. No worries. All right, here we go. See, we get above the 170s, 172s. There she goes. Yeah, it's trying. Of course it's going higher, design knob. Of course. It's true. It is true. Man, last night, like we did have a really big move overnight, but last night there were some pretty nasty moves lower. Like this move here. Man, this move here really up. If it wouldn't have been for this move right here, I would be up like $2,000 on my trade day accounts. No lie. I was so upset. Should have probably had a tighter stop loss in there, but I was so convinced it's going to go higher. And once we went down below this 70 area, finally just bailed. Finally bailed and just cut my loss. But then, of course, we rip straight back up. Go figure. And look at that. Market, yeah, okay, that's confirmation for me. This market's being difficult. Very difficult. Zero follow through on that move higher. Zero. Which just gives me no confidence to trade this. If I trade this, this is where you lose accounts. Getting chopped up. This is why, like, the New York Open, I mean, yeah, you can get some nice moves, but man, I don't know. The New York Open just seems like so difficult to trade it. For me, anyway. Hey, Andreas, how we doing? The 19K you made before the open was, wait, 19K? Oh, you mean everything? Yes, everything was before London. My take profit trader accounts, these accounts, I made that on this push higher. This push higher, I traded this, but the PW account, that was throughout the night. I traded the open. I traded basically, I didn't trade all night, but I traded for a good portion of it. All right, market trying to go higher again. All right. Maybe we do 170s again. It's a tempting long right there at the 140s. If you took that long here, that's a very nice long. Let's see if we keep going. I did see gold last night. I did not trade gold, but actually I kind of wanted to see what gold is looking like now. I did see gold. Man, gold is crazy right now. Wow, look at that. Look at this crazy. It's unbelievable. Is the daily chart on gold right now is wild. Wild. Man, that's crazy. We haven't seen a move like that in gold in quite some time. Very impressive. Yeah, I don't know. The more the more I see gold, the more I'm like, man, maybe I do need to actually start. Maybe I need to actually take gold seriously. I think there are certain times of the day where gold is really good to trade. If you trade gold at the wrong time of day, I think you can get it. I think it can be pretty bad, but all right, market, what are we doing here? Feels like we want to grind higher now. But don't trust it. I got to use the restroom, guys. This is going to be something that you guys are going to have to get familiar with a lot over the next couple days, or actually the whole week. Oh, we're back. Oh, wow, look at that. Do we trade the range, guys? Trade the range. It's too easy. Gold is a great trade, but if you're wrong fast. Yeah, I can imagine. Do you know anything about Lucid Trading? Yeah, virtually active. I love Lucid Trading. I've gotten almost I think over $40,000 in payouts with Lucid Trading. Zero complaints with Lucid Trading. Wow, look at this. We should have traded the range. Trade the range. It's too easy. I'm going to empty up my... Oh. Whew. What is good for Lucid? I mean, Lucid, honestly, Lucid and Tradeify are like literally sister companies almost. They are like almost identical with their rules, what they offer. Very, very similar. And I like both. But because I already have max payout, or I've kind of been capped out at Tradeify. I'm capped out at Tradeify because I've already gotten 100K in payouts, including if I include my live account, which is what you do. I really like Lucid Trading just because that's now what I can kind of trade. But Lucid and Tradeify, very, very similar. Hey, Cami Capital in the house. Hey, good to see you, Cami Capital. I appreciate that. Thank you. I appreciate your channel, Cami Capital. By the way, I don't know if I commented or not, but man, I gotta say, the way that Top Step, what Top Step did to you was so, that was dirty. That was so dirty. To think, Cami Capital, to think in September of last year, Top Step came after me pretty hard. They wanted to sign me, telling me all kinds of things and a lot of BS. Can you imagine if I would have, like, which there was just no shot that I was going to become, that they were going to sign me in any shape or form, but then they would have just cut you like 3 months later like it's nothing. It's crazy. I like Lucid better because they have Rhythmic. Actually, I guess, yeah, Tradeify does not have Rhythmic. For the longest time, Lucid didn't have Tradeivate, but now they do. But man, this market is very, very choppy. I am very happy to not be trading this. Yeah, Cami Capital. I know they did. Trust me. I just don't trust them one bit. It's pretty sad though. Pretty sad how they, yeah, it's just, and then like, yeah, there's a lot of other things that you know of. We could talk for a while. We could talk for a while, Cami Capital. But hey, I appreciate your journey and your channel. I love it. You're one of the real ones. I'm just so happy I took $15,000 payout from Top Step. Kind of want to do it again. I want to do it again, but I don't want to give him my money. If I'm still using QuantGuard, Win, I will give you honest feedback, okay? Honest feedback on QuantGuard is this. I still believe in QuantGuard. I know Miles is trying very, very hard, okay? Like, Miles is a great guy, trying really hard, but the Top Step implementation with QuantGuard has been very difficult. I would not recommend Quant Guard right now. I would say wait. Wait. I'm kind of waiting for them to have like a week or 2 weeks with no issues, no bugs, and everything working very smoothly. And once that happens, and I feel really confident that the bugs are all worked out, then I will make sure to let everybody know. But until then, I mean, there's just a lot of bugs, and that's going to happen with new stuff and development, and it's kind of in beta mode right now. So yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I definitely still believe in them, but we just need to give them a little more time to kind of get everything figured out, get all the dots, the I's dotted and the T's crossed. And once they do, I'll be sure to let you know. Okay, yeah, we could go on and on. Hey, take care. Oh, it's 3. I forget that you're, yeah, it's 3 in the morning. Hey, take care, Cammy. Take care. I appreciate you, man. I need Dr. Schultz cayenne pepper. Mr. Knife Art, good morning. Well, I have my first cleanse. This was 16 ounces. My first 16 ounces is officially done. I need to drink 3 cups of this per day. So I need to drink 3 cups of this per day for the next 5 days. And that's it. And water. I can't have anything else. No nutty bars. No nothing. I missed the Top Step part. What happened? It's a long story, Win, but basically, Cammy Capital, they totally just screwed him over. And it, yeah. Took advantage of his channel, took advantage of basically he has a viral video promoting Top Step, and then they cut him off, and yet, yeah, it's just, it's all around dirty, just dirty. They should be ashamed. Man, I mean, you could take a short right here if we just play the if we play the range here, we could go short up here. Once we start trading, once we start going choppy right here, I only have 2 rules. 2 rules, that's it. Never chase the breakouts. Above or below, I guess 1 rule. Don't chase breakouts when we trade in this kind of range, because these breakouts are usually fake outs, and it's so frustrating. Imagine going long right here at the 170s, because then you usually get stopped out, and then it's one of the most frustrating ways to trade is when we start chopping and you chase those breakouts. Those are always the trades that put me on tilt. No nutty bars. That's right. I can't have any nutty bars today. Nope. Or this whole week. I'm hoping. I am on a mission. I'm going to try to lose. I'm on a mission to lose 20 pounds. My weight has just kind of slowly crept up on me. And last week I went and I weighed myself and I saw the number. And I'm like, nuh-uh, that can't be. Cannot happen. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to do something about it. Part of the whole mindset of having more discipline. So speaking of breakouts, here we go. Don't chase it. I'm telling you, don't do it. I mean, it might work, but I always find this is where I get trapped. We chase these breakouts, and then all of a sudden we're all the way back down here, and it's a very difficult It's just very difficult. AX or like nice. Out long. Let's go, Sharoos. Good trade. What account is this one with 10K? Melvin Bryan. So this account is the BDH battle. It's this one right here. So Legends Trading is having a trading competition. It's from Patrick. So BDH battle going on. And this is basically what it is. And look at us. Out of over 1,000 people, we're currently in number 8. Now, this is not updated, so I probably won't be in the top 10. I assume there's going to be a lot bigger profits than where I'm at, but we'll see. Honestly, I'm kind of okay. I might not trade this account. I'm gonna take it a little bit slow. I mean, obviously you're gonna have to go big, but I actually didn't. A lot of people assumed I just full ported. A lot of people just assumed that I full ported to get this 10,000 profit, and I really didn't. Actually, here, let me look. What are my stats on that account? Let me look. So this is the account. So these are the stats for this account. And I'm not used to looking at this. Number of contracts, average trade, longest trade. But here you can see my P&L. I mean, it wasn't just a full port. Took a couple losses, smaller losses. But we didn't just full port 10 cons. I actually did 5 contracts was 5 contracts was the most I did. And we just bought the dips. Market only goes up. That was my mentality. And it worked until it didn't. Actually, you know what's funny? If I would have just done the same thing with my trade day accounts, we'd be sitting really green on those accounts too, but I took a big loss. Got stopped out. Well, look at that. We had a fake breakout. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Wow. This market is something else. Trade the range. I'm not on Legends Trading. Yeah, I'm not a big fan. I don't take this as me promoting Legends Trading, by the way, please. I'm definitely not promoting them. Hey, you're up 2K on the PW tournament. Hey, honestly, if you're green, I wonder how many people have already blown accounts. It's probably a lot more than we think. Oh, okay, Captain Crunch. Yeah, that's awesome. Look at this. All the way back down. What tournament? It's Hey, Kiss Me I Cook. Good to see you. Good morning. Good to see you. Anything bad about Legend Trading? No, Pat Budnick. Nothing bad. I just don't know enough about it that I'm going to promote them. Oh, come on, market. This is so typical, though. So typical when we have these big moves in the overnight session. We just die. In the New York session, it's usually very dead, unfortunately. I got short at 200 and still holding. Wow, nice. I mean, if you're short at 200 here, right now you need a lower low. Right now you need to break down below the 130s. Ideally, this could just continue grinding higher, but you need to break down below. Right here is the only place, like right here. This is the only place I'm kind of considering a trade. The bottom of this range and going long. Still, I mean, I don't know that it's worth it. This could totally just fall apart and make new lows. Just don't really like anything here. Yeah, exactly. Hark. I agree. There's going to be this random big break one way or the other. It will. It okay, let's see if we break down now. 140 is being tested. We've been holding at this 136 level. Let's see if it holds. Just gotta, and this is, man, I'm so tempted to try along here, but feel like my risk would be pretty small. I'm gonna do it. I'm only going to go in with one mini. I'm going to have my stop right here. If we get stopped, it's kind of worth, I guess. I guess it's worth it in my mind. Hello? I'm not going to get greedy on this trade. We're going to scalp. Oh, I got to go again. And we're back. Oh, man. Oh. Do you know when NinjaTrade and TradeAway prop new platform is going to be released? Isn't it already released? How many payouts from Tradeify you receive before they move you live? So they move you live on your 5th payout. All right, we are retested. I don't know. I'm glad I just took that scalp. Let's see if we continue lower. All right, are we going to hold this 130? Leaderboard for BDH updated. Am I being cleansed of 7 years of Nutty Bars and Wendy's? It feels like it. There's a lot of things moving through. That's all I'm saying. Oh, man. Yes, they have a 100K payout cap for all time. Yes. Oh, yep. I kind of knew it. We're not even in the top 50. We're probably 50th now. Kind of what I expected, which is fine. It's a 5-day event, not a 1-day event. Brett Simbase. That is too funny. I'm trying to see, dude. Is there anybody on here notable? I don't. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see if this 130 is going to hold. It's starting to feel like it's not going to hold. When are you coming out with Apex top payouts for July, August? So I'm having some issues with my spreadsheet, and I think I'm going to have to break out my spreadsheet in a couple different. Thankfully, I have a backup. Thankfully, if I didn't have a backup, I would have lost all my data. My one file went corrupt. Thankfully, I have a backup, but I have to re-import like 4 months of data. I was in the middle of doing that. Yeah, I need to just, it's turning into a little bit of a nightmare managing all the data, but I think I got it. And I think I just have to purge some of the data that I don't need. And I think then I'll be okay. But it's crazy how much like there's over 280,000 line items of data, and it's causing issues. All right, market, what are we doing? It'd be so tempting to go long right here, but I'm not sure I'm brave enough. I just realized I'm not sure how smart it is. I'm not sure how smart it is to trade these competition accounts on stream. You know, people, there's a lot of people in here, probably the same people I'm competing against, and they're just waiting for me to take a trade. It's true. It's true. I got some screenshots from a couple discords that it's kind of funny to me. Wow, look at that pump. All right. I see you, market. I see you. Uh, it looks like, I mean, if this 130 holds, do we go long here, guys? Do we? Yes, I did see the leaderboard updated, Mr. Knife Art. Yep. Kind of what I expected. Which is fine. I'm fine with 10,000 profit today. In the long run, There's 5 days left. I mean, we're not going to win anyway, so at this point it's, we're just going to try to trade well and see what happens. If we don't blow up, that's a good thing. Yeah, Frozen North. Good luck. Good luck, sir. You have to step up. Someone is already over 37K. I know. Don't worry, Charles. Don't worry. Oh, man. Excuse me. Man, this market's being very definitely not been easy to trade, so pretty sure the competition updated somewhere here in like 2 in the morning. So the guy that probably got 37,000 probably went long somewhere here, and I don't see anybody gaining too much trading this chop. Don't think we got too much to be worried about. And there's people gonna blow up. And it could be me. It could also be me. Can you please share your live experience with Tradeify? When my live experience with Tradeify has nothing to do with Tradeify and everything to do with me and how bad I've been trading it. I'm just I don't know why. I don't know what it is. I really don't know. I don't have an explanation, but once I got a live account, I just could not get anything going. Could not get anything going. Oh, there she goes. New lows. Now, I wouldn't trust this. I would not trust this. What is the prize for the competition? The trade day competition is $5,000 for me and $5,000 for my viewers. The BDH competition is $10,000 for first. Yeah, see, this is where I wouldn't trust it. These little fake breakouts are just traps. Trap after trap, both directions. It's very difficult to trade this, in my opinion. Wow, look at that pump right back up. Do I prefer Take Profit Trader or Apex for payouts? I mean, Blur, I don't really have a preference, to be honest. I love Apex payouts and I love Take Profit Trader payouts. Now, I have gotten way more payouts with Apex than I have with Take Profit Trader, but that's nothing. That's just because my brain is broken when it comes to trading with Take Profit Trader. My brain is actually broken. Like, for real. But we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Hey, RXHX, how we doing? Checking in from Seattle on a work trip. Let's go. Nicely done. You just passed 150K Take Profit Trader account? Let's go. Man, what is this market? What is this? Man, I am really it's crazy. This market is crazy. We keep holding here at the 130s. I mean, we wicked the 120s. Man, I'm trying to debate. Hey, Kellyanne in the building. Good morning, Kellyanne. Don't come in here, Kellyanne. Don't come in here spying on me. I know that Pine Tree was doing it too. Just coming in here to fade me. I'm just kidding. How's your day going, Kellyanne? How's your day going? I'm very disappointed in my trade day accounts. Got stopped out on a terrible. I should have let it go. Anyway, I'm going number 1. You don't do the monthly Apex payout videos anymore? Yeah, Mars, I was just talking about that literally 5 minutes ago. They are coming. I'm having some issues, some technical issues with my spreadsheet, but it is coming. No, me and Kellyanne are friends. We're best friends. Unless she wins. If she wins the trade day competition, then I'm going to. No, I'm just kidding. I'll still be friends. Man, this is terrible. Terrible price action. Oh, you're good. You're good, Mars. No problem. I'm trying to go Rock Patrick's comp too, but I still don't have data. Get wrecked, Kellyanne. they're putting they're putting a stop loss on you. That would be funny. That would be funny. How is your trade day account looking today, Kellyanne? I need to know if I need to go. How bad do I need to full port? How bad do I need to full port my trade day accounts to salvage today? I'm just kidding. I won't do it. Look at that. I mean, this is crazy. What kind of I can't touch you today. Oh, you best be careful. What the? Well, we are getting a little bit of a breakout here to the upside. Is it trustworthy? That's the question. Man, I don't know. Whew, I don't know if I trust this or not. Yes, Trader JX, that is true. All right, if we come back and retest like the one, I'm gonna take a long here. Uh-oh, I only got filled on one. Fill me. Thank you. Now I need you to rip up to the 250s. Don't chop back down in this range, please. Please. This stop feel like probably needs to be. I'm just gonna have my stop here for now. I'll close it before then, but the chop is real. The chop is real. Come on, market. This is just so bad. We're just not getting any continuation. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is brutal. Is this even worth? Oh. Trying to determine what I do. If I gotta make a run to the restroom and I'm in a trade, what do? I just gotta go, right? We just gotta go. We gotta go. You gotta go. Yeah, this price action. You're just asking for trouble with trading this. I wish I would. I probably shouldn't have taken this. I was too enticed. Is the 130 gonna hold? If not, we got problems. We got big problems. Wait, Trader's Paradise? Who's Trader's Paradise? Oh, this is so pain. This is just. I don't like this at all. Do I just kill it? Feel like this is gonna wick the 130s and then it's either gonna rip or we're gonna just rip right through this and make new lows. Don't really know what will happen. Gonna wait. It's just gotta be patient. Rip it. Do we need to do something here? Do we need to do something? You guys know what we need to do? Do we need to do this? Rip it. This is one of those trades where I'm almost tempted just to get out for break even. For real. For reals. For reals. Pop it. I'm starting to just be very impatient here. This is a typical, like this looks so typical to just do a fake out right here. And it's gonna follow up a green candle with a bearish engulfing is what I am seriously suspicious of. Hey, Camber Trades. Hey, you're here just in time. You're here just in time. Come on, market. Break it out. Do it. I don't know why I just don't have a good feeling on this, but I'm going to take my profit if I can just take it here. Don't dare. Watch this not even fill me now. Okay. It's not worth it. It's choppy. Choppy market. Shouldn't be trading it. Should not be trading it. And now it's 11 o'clock. I'm so... Look at this. Right back down. I can't... Oh, you know what I just thought of? Man, I'm getting hungry. This is going to be rough, chat. This is going to be rough, chat. I'm getting hungry. I am going to get hangry today. I am going to get hangry today. I can already tell. I'm getting hungry right now, and I just... Look at this. Is this a sign from above? We've got... Look, there's only one left. Only one left. Is that not a sign? Oh, I'm so... oh. Not doing it, chat. I'm not doing it. Self-discipline. Self-discipline. I'm not doing it. But I'm not going to lie. I'm definitely thinking about it. Oh. Throw it away? Okay, now that's just blasphemous. We are not throwing away nutty bars, okay? Hey, that's a bannable offense. Ugh. Oh, this is so bad. I mean, honestly, even if I take like $1,000 red day on my trade day account, that's still better than having to start over. It's still better than having to start over. Yeah, I do kind of agree, day trader. Like, if I have to pick like if I have to be forced to trade right now, we got to be looking at longs, even though since the open, the shorts have been probably more in play, but that 130, 120 area has been holding. We've got some wicks in here. The 15-minute chart, like the 15-minute chart, we do need to get above the 160s. The 1 hour chart's looking bullish. I do feel like longs here are definitely the play, but I don't know. I don't know that I even like it that. I don't like it that much. Off-brand nutty bars. It's a shame. Hey, I'm going to go off-brand nutty bars until I get sponsored by the actual nutty bar brand. This is a strategic marketing ploy. So, don't worry. Hey, Quant Guard in the building. Good to see you. Did you message me? Hang on. Oh, I just see now. Oh, Miles, you need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of yourself. I'm okay, I need to log out, log back in. All right. What is the name of the generic? The Nutty Buddies is what it's is are the actual brands. All right, there we go. We are breaking up, breaking to the upside here. The question is, can we get above that 170? All right. Okay. I downloaded your payout expense spreadsheet over the weekend and played around with it using pivot tables. Oh, okay. Frozen North. Yes, yes. Please, please share it. That's what I was trying to use using pivot tables. Man, I struggle with it. But I think it was because of where the columns were conflicting with each other. And then with yeah, I struggle with it, Frozen North Trader. But yeah, feel free to share it. Please do. Can I get more info on those pivot tables? Yes. If Frozen North has a spreadsheet, then I will share it. I'll upload it and share it as well with everyone. So. Oh, this market. Oh. Hey, next trade. I sent an email as well to fix it. Oh, next trade, Lou. If you did, that's yeah. I mean, feel free to use that spreadsheet however you see fit. And if you find a good way of changing it, making it better, I know it can be better. I mean, I would, yeah, please do, but I don't want to ask someone to do it and waste their time either. So, but I appreciate that next trade, Lou. You sent me an email? I'm sorry. I gotta check. Feel like my spam or my junk email. I've been getting a lot of emails in my junk folder recently. I'm not sure how to change that. Yes. My email is nuttybar1983 at gmail.com. 19 nuttybar1983 at gmail.com. Oh, see, this is what I don't get. I'm not joking. The overnight session was 10 times better trading than this junk. And then people wonder why I trade overnight only. Like, look at this. Like, overnight session was way better than this, in my opinion. It just makes me not want to trade the New York session. Feel like, I don't know. I mean, we do get some really nice moves right at the open, but those moves at the open, I feel like are just kind of. I mean, I don't know. I have zero edge when it comes to it. It's like long or short, and hope for the best. RTY really good. Okay. Thing is, I don't trade unless I've watched the market and the price move. Even gold, I would have to watch it for a lot longer. We are struggling to get over that 170, but I'm not going to short. Oh, really, Ace? Nice. As long as the goal says button 39.7. Yeah, I mean, that 4,000 level looks very enticing. Agreed. All right, here we go. Are we going to break up through the 70s now? All right, 170s. Can we get above it? Ugh. Oh, this sucks. Man, I was hoping. Ugh. Just have zero desire to trade this. Wow, look at that rejection. Rejecting once again off the 170s. Just don't trust this. Like, it just. I don't know. I dare you to short Judas Joe. Not doing it. It is. I mean, right here would be a better. I would go short here more likely than I would go long, just based on how the day's been going. Like, I just don't want to. I do not want to go long close to the ones anywhere in this like 150 to 170s. I feel like it's just too easy to get trapped then. Even though this looks like it might break out, I just don't trust it. You just email it? Okay, thank you, Frozen North. I'll take a look at it. I appreciate it. Frozen North, Frozen North Trader. I Oh, is it because it doesn't have a grand total yet for October? The expenses. This is really cool, by the way. This is really cool. So it looks like the negative, like it's not showing negative where it should. If you look at Friday, it said this was a heavy consolidation resistance area early in the New York sesh. You know what? I think you're right. Yeah, you're right. Right here in this kind of.
Hi, Dad.
Well, hi, Cody. Hey, bud. Oh, buddy. What are you up to?
I was gonna watch down here.
Oh, I see. Here, do you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Yeah, say hi, chat.
Hi, chat.
Where's mom? Did you sneak away from mom? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell everybody hi and bye.
Hi, bye. Hi, bye,
Look,
and
they're saying
bye.
hi, Cody. Can you tell them how to spell your name?
My name is K-O-D-Y.
Yeah, Kody. There we go. Okay. All right. We gotta. Mama wants you back. Mm-hmm.
Dad, I want to watch down here.
Yeah, I know you do. And we're back. Hey, that's right, Cody. All right, market. What are we doing? If you are in here, Frozen North, this is really cool. But I think the negatives are not showing. Maybe I'm just not looking at it correctly. But this is so much better than mine. Oh, okay. Yeah, Frozen North. Awesome. Wow, that's really awesome. I mean, that's that's so much better than mine. Thank you, Frozen North. Thank you. Remind me if I get some accounts to do giveaways from. Remind me. Remind me. I'll give you a free account someday. I haven't gotten any free account giveaways in a long time. Maybe I need to ask again. I want free accounts. We need some giveaway accounts. All right, market. It's so tempting to go long here, but I just don't trust this. Hey, thank you, Frozen North. Also, next trade, Lou. I did find your email. Next trade, Lou. I did find your email. I'm sorry. It was in my junk folder for some reason. So I appreciate you as well. Thank you. I'm trying to think how I want to share this. I think I'll just once it's in here, I'll just do an update. Maybe I'll just add a comment to it or something. But man, I really want to see if we break above this 170. Oh, I'm so tempted here. Oh, teamwork does make the dream work. Set limit order to 5 wicks at 156, but this is too choppy to hold. Yeah, hearts. I mean, I feel like I'm going to be chasing this. If I chase this breakout and then we have a pullback, and then I'm just going to be in a bad situation. Man, what are we? Look at this. Look at this. Such garbage price action. It's terrible. As I enter a trade. I'm just kidding. Man, this is so. You know what? I want to. Look at that. Look at that. That's exactly why. This is just why it's. I have seen this movie too many times. When we have a huge move in the overnight session, everything is hard. Like it just seems like the market is tired. It's literally what it seems like. I'm trying to think what I want to do. Man, yeah, it does, Cly. I exactly. Yeah, Judas Joe, it was a fake out once again. It is where I need like I need to remember I need to do what I say because it's so easy to get trapped, so easy to chase it. Like right here would be a consideration for a long. I mean, you know what? I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. And if this doesn't work, I'm going to shut her down. Feel like it's I don't think it's really smart, but uh-oh. I got to go. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh, I need to go. We're back. All right, market. Let's not be difficult. Let's just take our profit. No need to get, we're not going to get greedy. You know what I need to start doing? I'm going to start, I need a bathroom counter. I need a bathroom counter. How many bathroom breaks? Hey, Frozen North. Yes, just got it. Just got it. Yay, that's it. Thank you. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bathroom counter or reset counter? How we doing, trade day? I'm hoping we don't need to activate that reset counter. By the way, thanks for adding the reset counter. Thanks for adding the reset counter to the trade day competition. I think it's a good thing. I know there were a couple people in the competition that were a little bit salty about it. It's kind of weird. I don't know why, but there seemed to be a pretty big confluence between people who had already reset. No, it was only a couple people. I think for the 90% of people wanted it added. Yep. I mean, hey, honestly, people think I was asking for a reset counter just because I hadn't reset. No. I would have asked for the reset counter even if I had reset. I just think it's smart. If you're going to allow 2 resets per week, then I just think it's the right thing to do. Meanwhile, this market, the reset is $20. No, the reset, we're talking about the trade day competition. The BDH reset, I think, is $20, I believe. And down we go again. I don't even know what I... By the way, for you NFL fans, did any one of you watch the Tampa Bay Seattle game? Man, that Tampa Bay Seattle game was wild. What a crazy good game. Or what a crazy good, that was some awesome football. And right back up. I mean, this is now starting to look like we're just doing a slow grind higher. So I mean, this is just grinding, but we do need to get above that 180s. And then, I don't know, are we just going to grind all the way up and make new highs all the way above the 240s? Why not? Why not? Market only goes up. Hey, D Versatility. Good to see you. Dean Bishop. The Cardinals game was crazy too. The Cardinals game. What? Okay. I thought the Browns would be the only team to ever lose like that. But that Cardinals game was wild how you lose that game. Like how? Go Chiefs. I like the Chiefs. I'm actually one of those people that I'm not like a Chiefs fan, but I respect and like the Chiefs. All right, market trying to push back above that 180 level. It's trying. Can I get your email so that I can get your chart set up? C West, you can send me an email. I mean, I don't know how I share my chart setup though. Like exactly, I'm not sure how to do that. Yeah, that Cardinals game was, but man, that Tampa Bay dude, Baker Mayfield might be a front runner for MVP. Guy is balling out. Go figure. Cleveland gets rid of him, literally gives him away for free for Deshaun Watson, which that has got to go down in history as the worst trade ever. Like ever. Like it's got to be. Like there's just it's actually insane. It always surprised. Yeah, I shouldn't be surprised, but I think the Browns have hit a new low and then they hit another new low. It's just crazy. They just continue to impress me. They just continue to impress me by how terrible they really are. As long as the person who wants your setup has your indicator. Wait, I can show you how to share it. So I can share, like, are you saying I can share, like, my chart? Like, everything? I'm interested next trade, Lou. How do I do that? Tools. Export? Oh, can I export a workspace? Is that how you do it? Right here? Workspace. Export. Oh, that's not right? Okay, sorry. Right click on your chart. Okay, right click, template. Oh wow, we are finally we're breaking above the 180s now. It's starting to look like it's starting to have the makings of a grinding higher. There she goes. There's the break. Oh, snap. Up through the 190s now. There she goes. Hold on, boys. 194. She ripping. Ugh, man. Wow. Wow. Impressive. Very, very impressive. Congrats if you held that long. If you held along here all through this chop, you deserve a nice win. 2 hours later, and I'm still trying to pass these evals. Sounds like fun, Matty Matt. You know what I'm doing? I'm going to wait until there's a good news event, and then I'm going to try to pass like 10 Apex evals. I'm going to do it. But I'm going to wait. I am not wasting my time trying to pass evals in this. You save your chart as a template, and then you get the template XML file and email that file. Oh, okay. So I go here, go template, save as. I have it set as NBT intraday. Save. Yes. Wow, we are actually seeing this thing break out to the upside. Impressive. Ay, ay, ay. Don't want to chase this, though. Don't want to chase this, but we got to be looking at longs now. We got to be looking at longs. Okay, then you go to docs. Man, you guys are teaching me all kinds of things. Ninja Trader 8 template. Templates. Charts. Oh, and there it is. Wow. Huh. All right, let's go. We can do it. And now you can email that XML file. All right, I will do that. You know, I learn something new every day. Man, there she goes, testing the 200s. Are we going to make new highs today? Are we really going to make new highs today? Man, it's kind of crazy to think that, but man, this 130 area, it held. It held. We had multiple long entries down here. Obviously, we only took scalps, but we had the right idea. We had the right thought. Just definitely could have done a better job of executing, but not that terrible. Not that terrible. What? What a breakout. What a breakout. Up through the 200s. Was there news or something on that, or just a good old-fashioned breakout? I am getting hungry, guys. I am really getting hungry. Hey, let's go, Matty Matt. Nicely done. They never make the good entries easy. No, it doesn't. They don't. They don't. You got to be willing to hold. And we are just seeing this thing rip. Back up we go. Now it's just, I don't even know what I'm looking for now. It's frustrating. Oh, boys. I actually need to go make myself more juice. My juice is empty and I am hungry. I don't know if I'm going to, how am I going to how am I going to make it for 5 days? 5 days without eating. I don't know about this, guys. I can do it. I can do it, though. I have two other guys. I have two other guys from church that are joining me in doing this cleanse. So we've got a support team. We can do it. I am going to do it. I am going to do it. But I am getting hungry. Actually hungry. Yes, you do need to have the indicators. Yes. Space station trading. Hey, let's go. I created a lockout feature for an NinjaTrader that functions just like Top Steps. Do you want to use it? Space station. I kind of already have a quant guard that I use for that. So I think I'm good, but thank you. What? Connection. All right. All right. I think I got everything I need. Man, this is starting to look very, very bullish. We really might go make new highs today. I have no reason to think that we won't. We do need to get above the 220s here. The 220s might have a little bit of resistance, but I don't know. The program that I use is QuantGuard. Yeah, so the Wada Atari explosion is the indicator. This is from Trade Devil Indicators, Wada Atari explosion indicator, and then this here is just the up down volume. I think you get this only with the order flow plus subscription from NinjaTrader, if that makes sense. And then my chart trader is Affordable Indicators chart trader. So yeah, it's kind of a lot of stuff that I've got on my chart here. I've been trading with this chart setup for probably over a year. I really like it. You did the same cleanse in 2007 before a trip to Cabo. It was tough the first 2 days. Went to a movie on day 4 and could eerily hear everyone else eating popcorn. That's one thing. By day 2 or 3 is going to be the hardest. It is going to be the hardest because I'm going to be so hungry and hangry. Oh, I feel like this could potentially affect my trading. So, not sure. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but it's kind of why I'm thinking about only trading my competition accounts this week and just not trading my funded accounts this week for that reason. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Man, this market really is just going to keep going now, huh? Look at gold. Oh, yeah. Design knob. Shameless new highs. That's right. Yep. Why not? Wow. Look at gold. Actually insane. Look at gold. Wow. Look at that perfect bounce off the VWAP this morning. Perfect bounce off of VWAP, and we're just going higher. Gold was definitely a better price action to trade today than NQ was. No doubt about that. Oof. I'm a very good simulation trader. I'll give it to me. Thank you. That's a great compliment. I'll make sure to put that on my gravestone. Great simulation trader. I need to go make more juice. I need to go. I'm getting tired of drinking water. Uh. Man, we're not even getting pullbacks right now. It's just might have to be aggressive here. This is not. What did you say was in my drink? 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon, 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then 8 ounces of water. Wow. Come on, man. Think if gold hits 4,000, I might have to buy a put option on gold. Hey, that's That sounds like fun. We could also consolidate here for a little bit. Kind of hope that's what we do. Excuse me. Okay, we are pulling back. Time to be careful. We all know NQ has the ability to just come all the way back down to the 130s. We all know this can happen. So gotta be we gotta be careful here. All right, is this gonna just be a nice pullback where we can get an entry long? Man. That is not. I wanted to see this consolidate a little bit. Really? Terrible, Phil. Hey, Thomas W. Trades, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Is it gonna do this little fake out? Starting to do the fake out. Hey, golf gun, might take profit on gold, 65 propelled. You think we're going higher? I mean, I think we're going higher, but I wish I would have been a little more patient on my entry here. I wouldn't be shocked if we consolidate here. But as long as we hold above the 190s, I should be okay. But, oh, whoa, Bessie. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm getting out. I did not like that. That looked like a dangerous spike lower. Let's just wait. I don't know. I got this. I would not be shocked one bit if this pulls all the way back down to that 150, 140 area, and I'm just not interested. Just don't like it. Honestly, guys, I think I'm just gonna walk away for the day. Maybe this afternoon, maybe we get better price action, but right now I think I'm gonna walk away, and it's not terrible. We can recover from this. So I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go make myself some more juice and drink it and pretend like I like it. And I might trade the afternoon, depending what happens, what it looks like. But for now, I don't know. I don't want to participate in a slow rollover. That's what scares me. All right, everybody. Appreciate all you guys. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. Yes, I am fasting. It is a lemon juice fast. Juice only. All right, everybody. Take care. Appreciate all you guys. Take care. We'll be back tomorrow. And God bless.